In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get golden eagles here in War Thunder. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you would just help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, starting off on the main menu or the hanger, what you need to go ahead and do is just hit shop up in the very top right. It's then going to take you to a page that looks something like this, and all you need to go ahead and do is just go down to this marketplace section, just like so. Select that. It's then going to redirect you to your page's marketplace. If you're using Steam, it'll open up in a new tab. You can also open it up in a browser as well. Just essentially look for the replenish balance option on here, and you will see it just in this section. Select this, hit replenish balance. It's then once again going to open up a new page where you can of course go ahead and see all of your stuff. Go ahead and choose your account. And of course, you're able to replenish your ballots in this section. You just got to add the funds, purchase your golden eagles, and once you do that, you are all set. From here, you can just hit X to close out of everything. And of course, once you go ahead and close out of everything, it'll say updating online profile. If it doesn't, just restart your game and you should see your new balance appear up at the very top. But that is it. That is really all you need to do. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.